Hey guys, it's Chris, and today I am back with a beauty product review. What product is that? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Tatcha Silk Cream. So Tatcha is a Japanese skincare brand. You know, I'm getting older, you know, I want to make sure I preserve my skin. I'm trying to preserve this youthful glow, you know. So I decided that I want to go ahead and start investing into really good skincare products. I've used some Tatcha products before. They have a cleansing oil I've tried. They have like an exfoliating rice enzyme product I've tried before too. I liked it, and I've only heard and experienced nothing but good things from Tatcha, so I figured why not give this stuff a try. Okay, so I was debating between getting the silk cream, which I ended up purchasing, and the water cream. The reason being was, this was back in October, so it was getting ready to get like super cold. I have super duper dry skin. I don't have acne prone skin or oily skin, or I wouldn't even say like combination skin. I have really dry skin on my face, and then also I have eczema like on my hands. Maybe y'all have noticed in some of the videos before, I have eczema on my hands. I used to have it really badly on my arms and legs as a little girl. So I have sensitive skin, but I don't have like acne prone skin or anything like that. So I went to Sephora.com, I looked at the reviews for both products, and they were both about neck and neck. But what drew me to this is because it said the silk. So I'm thinking, okay, this is gonna do great. It's gonna go nicely under my makeup. Some of the claims of the products, and it says this on the back too, is that it's weightless anti-aging, which I'm looking for. It's moisture-rich silk extract for normal to dry skin. Normal to dry skin. You know, maybe that should have been the giveaway. It's not a bad product, but maybe that should have been the giveaway that perhaps this wasn't for me. I think in retrospect, if I could do it all over again, I think I may have gone with the water cream, and this is why. So on the website, the product retails for $120. And you know, I saw the price and I was like, but then I was like, you know what? Skincare, you know, aging, I gotta invest, right? It's gonna be worth it, right? I've only had good experiences with other Tatcha products, so I paid that pretty penny. I ordered it. So for that price point, you get 1.7 fluid ounces. Here's a closer up view of the packaging. It's really pretty, as you can see. It comes with a gold spatula that you can use to scoop the product out. I never used it, but hey, it's still, packaging counts, okay? It looks beautiful, it looks elegant, it makes you feel like it's worth the price. It lasted from October actually to this morning. I'll show you a demo of where I use it on my skin. And over that period from October to today, I can't say that I saw any drastic changes or anything like that. I can't say that I saw any drastic changes. It felt nice going on my skin. The texture is nice. It's very gel-like. It's not greasy or anything like that. If I could compare it to anything really, I would say that this product has the consistency. If you've ever tried like the Neutrogena hydrogel that they have now that comes in a tub like that, I would say the consistency is very similar to that. In terms of lasting moisture for my dry skin, I don't think it gave me the moisture I was looking for. I think I actually ended up, oh my god, that was my cat. I ended up trying a demo of the water cream in a Sephora, and I think that's the one I should have gone with, because that, even the little spot I put it at on my skin, it lasted all day, the moisture did. Like this, you know how sometimes you put lotion on your face and then later in the day your skin feels like, I was getting to that point with this. So what I ended up doing, I have a facial oil, so I would add like maybe a drop of that to this to help like avoid that feeling and not have like a dry feeling like later in the day. Now in terms of how this wore under makeup, this wore very nicely under makeup. I used a primer, you know, of course, anyway, so it did well there. But in terms of being like something I could use and this would be it for like a facial moisturizer, I'm gonna have to say no. I'm gonna have to say no, and it may work, and this may work for you if you don't have, like, again, I have super dry skin. If you have like normal skin or combo skin or maybe even oily skin, this could work for you, because like I said, on Sephora it got lots of great reviews. But will I be repurchasing this again? I'm gonna have to say no. I think I would maybe try, they have a, I want to say like a violet cream that got really great reviews, and it seems like from the description it may be more of what I'm looking for, but I think next time I'm just gonna take a little sample from Sephora first before I spend that pretty penny. What kind of skincare products do you guys use, especially when it comes to anti-aging? Please leave them down below. Like, I'm open to all suggestions, preferably for dry skin, because like I said, I have super dry skin. What are you guys using to fight the visible signs of aging? Tell me, what are your must-haves, the things you can't live without? As for always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.